Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy S&P 500 on Robinhood. So let's quickly dive into that. So one of the quickest way for you to be able to buy S&P 500 on Robinhood is to open the Robinhood app and log in into your account. Very important. Then tap the search icon at the top. Then type BO, which is BOO, then which is Vanguard SP 500 ETF, or SPY, which is the SPDR S&P 500 ETF. So select the ETF from the result, then tap trade, then buy. Then enter the amount of money or numbers of shares you want to invest. Choose your order type, which is the market order, which is most common. Tap review order to check details, then tap submit and buy to place your order. You are now own shares that track the S&P 500 on Robinhood. I hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more simple guide.